Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect IONOS domain to Facebook. So I'm already logged into my Facebook account, log into IONOS as well, and then just come to the top left, click on menu, and then click on domains and SSL. From here I want you to scroll down until you see connect to external page. Click on this and then you need to choose a domain that you want to connect to Facebook. So I'll choose this one right here, the first one. And right here under social media services, you should see Facebook. I want you to click on Facebook and we need to enter a complete Facebook username. So the way we get this, you just come here to Facebook. Okay, come to the top right, click on your profile icon, and then you can just click on your name. So this right here is our complete username. So we'll copy that, we'll come back here, we'll paste it in. As you can see, click on connect, right? And we just wait for this one to initialize. And now this domain, as you can see, is now connected to Facebook. There you go. Target is Facebook. So let me show you that it actually works. I'll go ahead and paste in our URL. Okay, this is our domain. And if I press enter, you'll see it should redirect us to Facebook. There you go. That is our Facebook profile. Really that easy. And that is how to connect IONOS domain to Facebook.